guys, welcome to my save. Hi guys, so currently nakasakay ako sa aming free shuttle bus going to downtown. It will take like 20 minutes. So guys, I'm finally here sa kanilang downtown here in Marseille, France, and napakaganda ng structure ng bawat building dito, and talaga namang mafe-feel mo na nasa Europe ka, and wala akong masabi sa ganda ng bawat sulok. And samahan niyo ako for today's video na ikutin pa ang Marseille, France. Enjoy guys! So naglibot-libot ako sa downtown, and try din ako ng kanilang bubble tea dito. Syempre dapat hindi din natin ma-miss ang mga masasarap nilang dessert, especially yung tartlet na napakasarap. Had some huge burgers and few drinks. I had a wonderful day, and talaga namang napakaganda ng Marseille. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. Thank you for watching.